Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fernanda from Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon for the video update. So guys, kung meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my video below on how to make money online, product promotion, at iba pa guys. Kung meron pa kayong time mo, kindly watch my social media about my videos like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, website, and Instagram. Okay guys, ang pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo how to make money with Ecommergy. So ano ba yung Ecommergy guys? Dito tayo, first, what is Ecommergy? So ito po yung brief. It's a site for by e-commerce entrepreneurs that launched April 1, 2019. It features best of the best articles, videos, and audios from across the web, hand-selected and curated by us and other experts in e-commerce. So exclusive articles and other content, new content added daily. Our exclusive Ask an Expert program allows you to get your question personally answered by e-commerce experts at no additional cost. And sophisticated search engine makes finding the exact content you're looking for fast and easy. For ratings and reviews, a variety of tools and features for managing your favorite articles, reading lists, etc., and more. So that note that Ecommergy is 100% generic, is not a site for soliciting people for SFI or another or any other business of anyone who's in commerce or wants to be or should be or potential subscribers. So ito po yun guys, yung Ecommergy. So back tayo dito sa making money with Ecommergy. So a big part of Ecommergy's strength is derived from its exclusive focus on small business owners and internet entrepreneurs of all experience levels. So anyone who's in e-commerce or wants to be or should be utilizing e-commerce are potential subscribers. So ito po yung guys that makes Ecommergy an ideal product for you and your team to market. So kailangan talaga itong Ecommergy is the business e-commerce. So and with the ability to earn commission on all subscribers, so Ecommergy is one of the top potential money makers for EC5 affiliates. So kailangan unang-una guys, you should do a member for EC5 affiliate program and then you can making money also at the same time with Ecommergy. So nandyan po sa loob guys ng description ko kung how to become a member for SFI affiliate program. So, SFI means Strong Future International or SFING, Strong Future International Marketing Group. So, dyan po sa loob, inside of that SFI, you can also making money with Ecommergy. So, what's more, because Ecommergy is a 100% digital product with no shipping cost or hassle, delivering is instantaneous worldwide, your new subscribers literally can be enjoying Ecommergy with seconds no matter where they live in the world. So, kailangan to start marketing Ecommergy just for potential subscribers to your customized EC or Ecommergy gateway URL. So, ito po yung URL code, guys. Isulat ko dyan sa loob ng description ko. So, i-click ko yan. Yan po. Ito po yung Ecommergy sa dashboard. Yan, ito po. Ecommergy, the Ecommergy Entrepreneurs Community. So, ayan po, maano ninyo yan. Mababasahin po ninyo at mayroon po mga sample dyan. Kung kailangan na mag-sign up kayo now, so extraordinary, e-commerce starts here, register below now and will direct you to hyperclicks for your purchase of us or subscription. So ito po guys, kindly fill up this form. The blankly see your email address, country, first name, last name, choose password, confirm password, and then choose your plans. See here, mag-choice kayo at it is not not expensive. So magkakaroon kayo ng just 1.97 US dollar. So it depends upon you for your plan for monthly subscription. So ito po yan. And then, ayan. So bonus marketing. Ito po. Yung bonus marketing tool, use free samples to boost your sales. So, we all know that nothing compares to actually experiencing the value of an item for yourself. That's why when you sign up for a premium Ecommergy subscription, you get multiple deals you can give out to prospective subscribers. This trial subscription lets your prospect explore Ecommergy for themselves and see all it has to offer without any cost or obligation. So before deciding if a subscription is right for them, this powerful, no pressure way to generate new subscription is a great way for you to go lucrative commission month after month after month. So yan po ang example guys. If you are a premium subscription, reward of 19.97 US dollar comes with 150 days of passes. That means you can hand out 10 free 15 days passes or 10 days passes or 150 10-day passes or whatever combination you want. So you can either award these digital free passes automatically through your Ecommergy gateway or send passes directly to your specific friends, family members, and other via their via address. So ito po, click here, i-click natin yan. So ito po, how I do I give an Ecommergy pass to a PLM of other prospective subscribers. So ito po yun guys. Yan lang po ninyo. Kung member kayo, if you are a member here in SFI or SFIMG, Strong Future International Marketing Group, makikita po ninyo kung paano ito or how it works for this Ecommergy. Short, Ecommergy subscription can truly be invaluable for your success, but signing up Ecommergy subscription also feels great because you're helping fellow entrepreneurs succeed too. So, diba? So, ayan po. You can making money with Ecommergy if you are a member here in SFI. So, your e-commerce po siya, Ecommergy, designed specifically as a one-stop staff resource to help transform entrepreneurs like you into successful e-commerce experts. Ecommergy comes back with updated timely information every online business owner should know, including Ecommergy. So, ayan po yan. Ano yung best to the best articles, meron dyan the videos, and audio pang actors na hand-selected and created by us and other experts in e-commerce, exclusive articles, and other content. So, ayan po guys. A full access monthly Ecommergy subscription starts just 9.97 US dollar for just 4.33 a day to help you pave the way for your online success and profit. So, yan po. Kung if you are interested here, I have look at my description. Inside of my description, I will be putting the how to become a member for Easify affiliate program, and then at the same time for Ecommergy. Because if you are a member here in Easify marketing group, you can making money on also at the same time for Ecommergy. So Ecommergy is the business mastering entrepreneurs e-commerce. So you can making money at the same time. So that's why win-win yung tawag dyan. Kasi you can making money as a SFI member or SFI affiliate marketing at the same time for Ecommergy. At marami pang iba na pwede kayong kikita ng, ng bilang isang affiliate program here in SFI or itong future marketing group. Ito po, isang affiliate program. Ito po yan guys, Ecommergy. So, guys, ayan po. Yan po yung mga banner ng Ecommergy. So, ito po yung Ecommergy na yan. Yan ko po yung text ad. So, ayan po yung text ad. Marami yun. Your start, lalo na kung you have a small business investment, ito po, umpisahan po ninyo ito, guys. So, all entrepreneurs, give all informations, you need to explode your growth and earnings Ecommergy. So, yan po guys. If you are interested again, kindly read inside my description. I will be putting for more information about this affiliate program for SFI or Stone Future Intermarketing Group. At the same time, how to become a member for Ecommergy. You can making money here also as a become e-commerce entrepreneurs community. So guys, that's all for my video, and thank you for watching. By the way, if you are a new here, kindly watch, subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell icon for more notification of my video later. So thank you for your watching. Bye for now.